Okay, so this is the hang clean, or barbell hang clean. Okay, essentially what you're gonna do to start with, put your feet underneath the bar. So where your socks would be, a couple of inches in front of that. In terms of the grip, I like to put my hands on the first knurling, and I'm gonna start up. Your set position is how it sounds, like hang. You're gonna start in the hang. From here, I'm gonna come up, and as I clean, I'm gonna sit. It's not clean then sit, like you're sitting to get underneath the bar, like you're trying to get underneath it. It's a way to get the bar above you, and then you kind of catch it. So just to break it down, it's not supposed to be up to the top and then sit, you defeat at the point, because I've already got underneath the bar. It's to help you get underneath it. So you'll hang clean. From here, I set, I hang, I go hips. I'm trying to get underneath it to then stand. And again, it's just to help you get underneath the bar. Set position, hang, use my hips, get underneath it, and then come back down. Have a go.